introducing to you another physician from the community, Dr. Husman Khan. Dr. Khan was born in Guyana and is a Queens College alumni. Dr. Khan graduated from the Sarojini Naidu Medical College in 1972. He specializes in cardiovascular disease, geriatric medicine, and internal medicine, and has over 50 years of experience in the medical field. Dr. Khan is affiliated with Westside Regional Medical Center and Plantation General Hospital, and is a former chairman for the board of directors at Nurul Islam Academy. Some of his achievements I will pass on to you. He is a member of the American College of Physicians, Florida chapter. He's an internist of the year for 2021. He was trained in India, practiced in South Florida for 40 years as an internist and geriatrician. He's a diplomat of the American Board of Internal Medicine and Geriatrics. He was elected fellow of the American College of Physicians in 1990. He is also a clinical assistant professor of the University of Miami Miller School of Medicine. Also holds a master in public health. And I'd like to invite Dr. Husman Khan up on the stage to receive his award. Dr. Husman Khan, ladies and gentlemen.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam wa ala ashrafil mursalin. Sayyidina wa Nabiyina Maulana Muhammad abduhu wa rasuluhu. Amma ba'd. Maulana Shafayat, members of the Alhikmat and the Darul Uloom community, I want to thank you for giving me this award. You know, when you get awards in your young days, you wonder about them. But when you get awards in your old age, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. We have mutual respect for your organization. All of us are trying to do the same thing. We are trying to spread the word of Islam. And as you know, we say that Islam is the way that the world should be heading. In our troubled times, I often think that today we have no peacemakers. And I wonder and I hope that inshallah there will be a peacemaker from the world of Islam that can come forth and help the world through its difficult times. I would be remiss if I don't say that part of this award belongs to my wife, who has always been at my side in the last 40 years. So I thank you once again, and assalamu alaikum.